with Olivia. Today I'm walking through Vodice, a town where the sea sings softly and summer never seems to end. Morning light, a golden hue, the Adriatic calm and blue, pebbles shimmer, breezes play. Olivia walks this sunny way, cafes wake along the bay, boats prepare to drift away. In Vodice life moves slow, like waves that come and go. Beach walk with Olivia, beneath the Croatian sky. Vodice, you shine so bright, where sea and laughter lie. Yeah, yeah. Every step a breath of peace, every sound a sweet release. Beach walk with Olivia. Marina gleams, the sails all glow, reflections dancing soft and low. On Plava Island, time stands still, just a boat away, calm and real. Families laughing by the tide, children run where sunbeams fall. Vodice welcomes one and all. Beach walk with Olivia, along the ocean line, the scent of pine, the taste of wine, everything feels divine. Dalmatian songs in evening air, smiles and music everywhere. Beach walk with Olivia, in Vodice I'm fine. Sunset paints the town in gold, stories new and memories old, and when the stars begin to glow, Vodice whispers soft and slow. Beach walk with Olivia, by the sea so true. Vodice, your rhythm stays in skies of endless blue. Every wave remembers me, every breeze sings free. Beach walk with Olivia, a dream of the Adriatic Sea.
zase úplně něco jiného operoval.
Já si myslím, že operace to je no,
A asi se to.
a to je když taky vidíme.